to get the result in t-test to sample assuming unequal variances. So in our part 1 and part 2, we talk about the t-test paired sample for means and t-test to sample assuming equal variances. But in our video for today, I will show you on how to get the t-test to sample assuming unequal variances. So here is the question. Test the difference in the performance ratings of married and single teachers in Mayantok Central School based on their performance ratings below. So, just click the data and then data analysis. So, by the way, we're done with this too. So, gagamitin natin yung unequal variances kasi yung table dito is hindi sila pantay, di ba? Yung single and married, hindi pantay yung kanilang row or column. And ayan, so click lang natin yung unequal and then click the OK button and there is a variable 1 and variable 2 here, just like what we did on our part 1 and part 2 video in the t-test. Just click the column 1 for variable 1 and then for variable 2, click the column 2. And don't forget to click the label button and then click OK. And then this is the result of our data. So let's proceed with our Word. So this is the table. Let's check if it is correct. For the single, 94.28, married, 83.05. Ayan, tama. So ito yung important table na kailangan natin para makapag-interpret. So the title of our table number 4 is the difference between single and married teachers of Mayantok in terms of their performance rating. Civil status, single with a mean score of 94.28 and then married with a mean score of 83.05. The T computed value is 8.65 ito, and then the T critical value is 2.05 T critical value. And the probability is 3.91 ito. So just like what I've said in the part 1, in getting the probability, just less minus 1 lang to. Yung kapag may E equals 0.9, minus 1 lang dito. So 9 minus 1 is 0.8. That's why yung 0 dito is 8 sila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, more than siya. 2, 4, 6. Ayan. So, 0.8391. Kahit naman ilang 0 yan, means naman. So, for example, ganyan. Kahit dalawang 0 lang yan, ibig sabihin, less than 0.05 siya, di ba? 0.05. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng 0.01 kasi mataas. I mean, kahit namang dalawang 0 lang yan, makikita na natin na less than 0.01 na siya kasi dalawa yung 0 eh. Pero kapag naman, for example, 0.4, saan na siya? Saan na siya belong? Less than 0.05 na siya nun. Pero since dalawa nga or more than yung 0 niya, kaya yung gagamitin natin for our interpretation is less than 0.01. Ayan. So, ito na yung interpretation. Table 4 shows that there is a high significant difference. High significant kasi nga po, di ba? Less than 0.01 in the performance ratings of single and married teachers, since the T computed value is greater than the T critical value. T computed value is, ito po, 8.65 is greater than siya dun sa T critical value na 2.05. And the probability is less than 0.01. This means that single teachers performed better than the married ones. So, um, we're done in t-test, in getting the t-test. In our next video, I will show you on how to get the z-test naman.